Welcome to Weight Loss Real Stories. So we have a new guest with us today. His name is Raju Gorubeji. He is a retired civil engineer from Government of Maharashtra. He is with us today. Thank you, Rajuji, for joining us. So over to you, Rajuji.
Namaste ji. I'm very happy to say that I was trying for losing my weight from many years, but now it could be possible after doing this weight loss program. I'm 59 years old.
Okay. So what was your health condition, Rajuji, before joining this program?
Actually, there was no any problem, but weight was at higher side. That's why I was trying, though I was daily running, walking, jogging, but due to that exercise, also uh, we become hungry and consume more food. That's why weight was constantly around 78 kg, and it was required to reduce 4 or 5 kg at least. I was trying, but it was not useful.
Okay. So there were not any health condition like BP, sugar, nothing? No health condition?
No.
Okay, no health condition. So he is actually a very old friend of mine. From many years, we know each other. I'm seeing he's very fitness conscious, very much consistent in his meditation practice, Sudarshan Kriya practice. Daily he goes for a walk. And as for diet also, he is very, up to the mark. But still I think you were trying a lot to lose your weight. You were fit, but you wanted to reduce more. Okay.
Yes.
So you mentioned that you tried daily walking and all exercise
Running,
for
jogging.
reducing running and jogging. You were trying to reduce weight, but it did not help much. Okay. Then you joined this program, weight loss program. I think I don't know how you came to know about this program. Maybe you might have received my message.
It was learned from my other friends that this program, Anitaji's program, is very good and effectively. One friend from Latur, she told me about you and visited me to join this program.
Okay.
That's why
I did not know this. I did not know this. Okay. Very good. So when you joined this program, what were the challenges you faced initially?
Challenges actually, no other challenges were there, but regarding food was very challenging because I take heavy breakfast at around 10 a.m. Then full lunch, उसमें दाल चावल सब्जी और चपाती रहती है. And in dinner also I take ज्वारी भाकरी sabzi. Difficult to leave all this food habit aside and start new habit and start new program. It was very challenging and initially I felt very difficult, but uh, as my body become lighter and energetic, food program is very nice in this program. So no other food is required.
You came over that habit of eating, and initially food diet was basically challenge for you initially. Okay, but maybe with detox techniques, when your body was clean from inside, then you did not feel like eating a lot. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. So the exercises we did in the program, were they very difficult for you to follow?
No. Exercises are very easy. Just body stretches and some yoga asana and pranayama and some meditation is also. I like all these things. So that is very easy. Anybody can do easily. Youngster and older also can do easily. exercises are very easy.
Yeah. And what about aerobics? I think you did the aerobics for the first time.
Yeah. But I can do easily. No problem with that. Easily under your guidance, it will become very easy and can
Yeah.
do successfully completed.
So actually, most of the people think that to lose weight, they have to work hard, do gymming, hard exercises, very tough exercises. They think that they have to do hard exercise, but it is not required. And that too, there is a step. Like initially, we can start from stretches, and then we will step by step, go ahead to the difficult exercise. Also, we can do, but it needs previous precautions to take. So step by step, we can definitely do difficult exercise, but those are not required to lose weight. Very nice. So,
Under your
uh,
guidance, it become very easy. Even it was difficult or what, I don't know. But felt it was very easy.
the exercises were difficult. The asanas also, which we did after aerobics, we used to do, those were difficult actually. But maybe you did not feel that. Okay. So that is very good thing. You are 59. So 59 59 age, people can also do these exercises,
Yeah,
aerobics.
yeah,
So
yeah. More than 50, even 70 plus also can do this
okay.
program and all this exercise easily. Good.
He wants to say that 70 plus people also can do these
Yeah,
exercises.
yeah,
So easy.
definitely.
Okay,
Very
very
easy.
nice. So finally, how many kgs you lost and what are the inch loss you achieved?
Actually, I could lose the weight uh, around 4.1 kg, 4 kgs and 100 grams within a period of 1 month.
Wow.
That is big achievement for me. And belly periphery also around 4 inches. This stomach, belly.
4 inches you lost, belly fat you lost 4
Yeah,
inches.
yeah. But I
That's,
sincerely done what you advisor and you got done actually. You got done.
I got it done first from you.
Yeah.
Asking every day. Asking
But
every day.
easily, it was easy.
Very
And
nice. Very nice. So you lost 4.1 kg in 1 month
yeah,
and you lost 4 inches in 1 month, belly fat,
yeah,
overall body, because you don't
yeah,
have any other fat all over. Only belly fat is actually this is very common problem in everyone, like in Indian, because our food is like that. Especially,
yeah.
yeah, in case of males, they have belly fat more other than other body fat. Females have different body fat. Male has different body fat. You lost 4 inches. That is very, very nice. Okay. So very nice, Rajuji. What would like to give you as a message to the viewers? What will be the message from your side?
Very important message. Everybody shall do this weight loss program. Actually, weight loss word is limited, but detoxification is also very important because of
Hmm.
this food and all these changes. And design food program is very good because of our digestive system, just stomach and intestines. They have one layer of fats and toxic materials are stick. So that is removed by using this food program, and we become very lighter and very energetic. So that is very good for that. Everybody shall do this weight loss program and detoxification program.
Yeah. And you were saying, Rajuji, yesterday that your blood report, you forgot to mention about your blood report also. So what
Yeah.
was that?
Hemoglobin level also increase when fats are reduced there, and thyroid also. That
You
was,
had thyroid. Okay, that was in control.
yeah. It is reduced all things, and
Oh,
we become very energetic, and confidence level is also increased after
oh,
successful completion of this program.
Yes, so I would like to add from Rajuji that he mentioned that after weight loss, the blood report came normal, like hemoglobin was increased,
Yeah.
thyroid was in control, and he was feeling very energetic. And what he, very important message he gave to us, that by eating frequently or by eating junk food, we are, putting lot of garbage in our body. We know all that because that is called junk food only. We know what are the side effects of that, but we keep eating, but we don't know how to clean our body from inside. So detoxification is so important for us. So he
Yeah.
gave us very important message that you should be able to detox your body. You should learn how to detox your body from inside, so that you can enjoy more food and you can enjoy life, good healthy life.
Okay. Here, one thing I would like to point out that earlier, before 2 years ago, we were visited some famous uh, organizations that they are conducting these sports and charging fees like 85,000, 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh for this program, and result are same. Here we will spend only few thousand rupees, and achievement is the great. So that's why this is very beneficial to everybody. Thank you.
So, very nice. So he mentioned correct thing that people outside, they charge like in lakhs, in thousands, like more than 50,000 they charge for the same thing. They just detox your body, and you have to go visit their charge. You have to pay a lot. You have to travel also. But here in this program, you are getting the same technique and much more easy result, that too sitting at your home, doing everything on your own without, taking anybody's help. So that is another very unique message you gave, Rajuji, to us, that this is very reasonable also, and independently you will learn how to keep detoxing your body from time to time and enjoy your life. Very nice, Rajuji. Very different and unique message you gave to us, that you should detox your body frequently, and you will get to learn here in reasonable, maybe reasonable fee. So thank you so much, Rajuji, for joining
Thank
us.
you very much, Anita ji. Namaste.
Yeah. Namaste. Thank you.